So the Labor has a number of fantastic policies around education, and I just want to highlight two of them this morning. One of them is outlaw the teaching of radical social values in public schools, such as the so-called Safe Schools Child Sexualisation Program. This is a radical program that is creating problems for many parents. We have one parent in a school who has a daughter who's identifying as a cat, and their teacher has kindly placed a kitty litter tray into the classroom for this little girl, this 8-year-old. Really hope she never chooses to use it in the classroom in public. A parent approached me about her son, who was 13 when this started, having a girl changing in the boys' change rooms. And she talked about how there's actually bullying from the boys to this girl, comments being made. It's not safe for either the boys or the girls. There's been no discussion with the boys as to why this girl is in the change room. They're assuming she identifies as transgender, but they haven't been told that. And I can identify with how easy it would be to think you might be a boy in a girl's body, because when I grew up, my dad, a farmer, loved sons. In fact, he loved sons so much, he so favoured them that sadly, when he died, he left in his will $1,500 to me and my sisters, and the rest to the sons, which amounted to about $100,000 each. And so it wasn't just like I felt like he preferred boys over girls. There was actually clear evidence. And every child wants the love and acceptance of their mum and dad. And I think if I was in school today and they told me that I could be a boy in a girl's body, I might have actually been vulnerable to believing that. I might have actually been led down the path of gender dysphoria and all of the other treatments that actually include things like hormones, which can have irreversible effects and cause sterility, stop you from being able to fall pregnant, to have irreversible surgeries. And we know now young people are saying, why didn't someone tell me that my mental health issues could have been related to other things? Now I could never have children. Now I'll never have the life that I could have had I not gone down this path. And so that's the issues that are being created today because parents are not respected and because these radical ideas of gender are being pushed in our schools. So we in the DLP want to support parents, and we want to try and get rid of that radical, extreme left-wing teaching. Thank you.